Hello everyone, this is Mel TV official Buhay OFW. Mega love shout out sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport sa channel ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, I show you what I buy today. I want to eat something, but it's very nice. I show you guys what I buy one by one. Fresh, dried siya pero fresh fruit na ginawa nila. Masarap guys, masarap. I show you. So guys, see, yan, masarap. It's offer, ang sarap oh. Yan guys oh. What is this, Habibi?
What?
Mango.
Mango.
This one manga. This one watermelon. Oh, this one kiwi. See, kiwi. Kiwi. And this one, what is this? I don't know what's that. And this one, ananas, pineapple, and also this one, Habibi, avocado.
Not sure.
I'm not sure. Shuhada.
Yeah,
Mango. And this one,
Sure.
Coke. And this one maybe lemon.
How come lemon?
I don't know what's that. And see, cucumber. What's this? Cucumber? No. And this kiwi. And this one. What is this, Habibi? Okay. See? Eh? What's that?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is fruit. Dried fruit.
This one lemon.
Oh, yeah, I tell you lemon. It's nice. And yeah, this is guys, is very nice. Dried fruit siya. Fresh fruit na ginawang dried fruit. It's very delicious. Ang tamis niya nandyan lang guys. Very very good. So nakita nyo na guys kung ano yon. Ito, dried fruit siya. Very sweet. Kung anong lasa sa fresh, ganyan yung lasa nito. Matamis, masarap. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.